Hey guys, this is Eric at Westcott Designs. Just going over this TRD Pro, this Barcelona Red, beautiful setup. Driving it over here to show you some of the things that we've been working on. It looks like it has almost 74,000 miles on it. So we've been working on some things, gone through some wear and tear and upgraded some parts. So let's go over what we got on this build. All right guys, up front here we have a Nitto Ridge Grappler 285 7017. And we just put that on, that's a brand new. We came underneath here and we did this lower control arms here from Camburg. And then I believe we replaced the upper control arms here, these delta joint uppers from Icon. It's got a set of 2.5 Icons up front and in the rear. All right, so up front here we have this SSO bumper. We've got the Factor 55 fair lead here, and hidden underneath there's that Warren winch, and we got a 20-inch light bar tucked in there as well. On the back here you can see this is quite the rear bumper. It's got a dual swing out. This is from Expedition 1. All right, from behind here on these 285 7017s, looks essentially flush to this fender. Really good for off-roading. And here we go, in this bumper we've got a set of Baja Design Sports. There it is. Really is a beauty. Really well thought out, balanced truck. Let us know how we can help. This is a TRD Pro, very upgraded suspension, upper and lower control arms, front bumper, rear bumper, roof racks, lighters, all kinds of goodies. We definitely do like seeing these in the shop and helping you out there with your adventure rig. So let us know how we can.